That way you don't need both an excavator and a loader. You just have a loader and throw your digger attachment on the front.
Next up, it was auger time. The auger attachment mounts just like all the others, with the quick hitch making it easy to pick it up and secure it without ever needing to get out and even touch it yourself. Though you still have to make the hydraulic connections by hand, and then you throw that lever that connects the hydraulic lines to the quick hitch lever. To use the auger, you basically just tilt what would have been the loader's bucket all the way down so the auger hangs freely, then you throw the quick hitch lever to turn the auger on and start lowering the boom, letting the auger do the work. This is an 8-inch auger, so the hole it makes is a bit wider than we needed for this fence post that my dad conveniently had laying around, but you get the idea.
That worked pretty well though.
Well, it worked perfectly. I mean, you had to get a feeling for...
If you have to put up 100 fence posts, this is going to be a much easier way to do it than hand digging or even using a powered auger.
Alright, so I've been playing around on the loaders for a few days now, and it's about time I gave you guys a walk around and check out what makes each of these tick. Now they're actually quite similar. Like I mentioned, I got 3 of the smaller ones and 1 of the larger ones. That was all that would fit in that 20-foot container. I figured that probably the smaller ones would be more of like a hobbyist machine, you know, and it wouldn't be as capable. That's why I wanted to make sure to get one of the bigger ones. But I will tell you, with playing around with these smaller ones are incredibly capable. Now, the bigger one here, it has got a ton of power. In my opinion, perhaps more power than I really need. You know, both of these are